Hello friends, I am Himanshu Shrivastava. Today I have opted the subject science, and in science I have chosen the topic human physiology. Human physiology is a very vast and interesting topic. Okay, human physiology consists of two words. First is human and the other is physiology. Human means what? We the living beings, the higher animals of the animal kingdom, and physiology means what? Physiology means mechanism or group of process that is happening in our body, or that is happening in our human body. Okay friends, as we all know that our body, human body, made up of various organ system is made up of various organs, and organs made up of tissues, and tissues made up of cells. So for understanding the physiology of humans, we have to first we have to understand the physiology of organ system, how various organ work in a system. Okay, human body consists of different organ system like circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, and reproductive system. But today I am going to discuss only about the circulatory system. Okay, why? Because the nutrients which we get from the digestive system, from the food, and the gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, and the waste products, all are circulated here in the circulatory system with the help of blood vessels, and heart. So friends, let's start now the circulatory system. Okay, so friends, circulatory system consists of two words. First one is circulation, and the other is system. Now what does the word circulation mean? Circulation means anything that can be passed, circulated or transported from one side to the other, or from one organ to the other, or through the whole body. And now what does the word system mean? System means a group of organ that works together is known as system. Okay, now friends, as we all know that our body consists of, our body is made up of different, our body is made up of cells. Okay, there are some substances which can be transported to these cells like oxygen and nutrients. They are transported to these cells, and there are some substances which can be taken away from these cells like carbon dioxide, waste products. These are taken away from these cells. Why these are taken away from these cells? Because these are harmful for our body. And now for the transportation of all these substances in our cell, there is blood. Okay, there is blood present, and for the transportation of all these substances through blood in our body, there is a pumping organ that is known as heart. And there are some tubes which carries blood to different tissues. These tubes are known as blood vessels. Okay, there are two types of blood vessels. One is artery and the other is veins. Okay, here I am writing artery carries pure blood and veins carries impure blood. Okay, impure blood. Now we will see here a general layout of the structure of heart, and all these three, blood, heart and blood vessels, all these three makes circulatory system. Okay, now we will see the general structure of heart. Our heart consists of four chambers. Okay, our heart consists of four chambers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is divided into right side and left side. The upper part of heart is known as auricle, and the lower part is known as ventricle. This is right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. Right side contains impure blood, and left side contains pure blood. Okay, and there is a wall present in between right auricle and left ventricle. It is known as tricuspid wall. And Here again a wall present between left auricle and left ventricle. It is known as bicuspid wall. Why these walls are present? Because these are present to avoid the prevent the flow of blood from right ventricle to right auricle, from left ventricle to left auricle. So now we are going to see how the blood flows into the heart. A general layout. Okay. Here this is a heart. Suppose this is a heart. This is right auricle, right ventricle. This is left auricle and left ventricle. This is tricuspid wall. This is bicuspid wall. Okay. From upper part of our body, blood goes to the superior vena cava. Blood reaches the superior vena cava, and from lower part of our body, blood reaches to the inferior vena cava through veins. From upper part of the body, it reaches into superior vena cava through veins, and from lower part of our body, it reaches into inferior vena cava through veins. Okay, now there are two walls present in superior and inferior vena cava. One is Harvesian wall and the other is Eustachian wall. Why these walls are present? They are present to avoid to prevent the flow of blood from right ventricle to right auricle and from right auricle to the whole body, through veins to the whole body. Okay, now blood reaches from superior and inferior vena cava, blood reaches into the right auricle, and from right auricle to right ventricle through tricuspid wall, and from right ventricle blood reaches into the lungs through pulmonary artery. Okay, this is pulmonary artery. And now here in lungs, the purification of blood takes place. Purification of blood means here the blood is impure because veins carries impure blood. So carbon dioxide is present in the blood, and this carbon dioxide, it goes into the atmosphere, and from atmosphere oxygen reaches into the lungs. Now the blood becomes pure, and this pure blood reaches into the left atrium through pulmonary veins, and from left atrium to left ventricle through this bicuspid wall, and from left ventricle to the whole body through aorta. This is the flow of blood into the heart, a general layout. So from here it is clear, and as we all know that artery carries pure blood and veins carries impure blood, but here artery carries impure blood, and here pulmonary veins, it carries pure blood. Okay, this is clear. Okay, thank you.